Good morning, friends. Erica here at the Little House Farm in Mexico. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to reality. We're heading to school today. Today is Dia de los Niños, April 30th. So they won't be having school, or they will, but it's gonna be more like a fun day today. So I'll bring you guys along to drop off Cassie, and then we're just gonna go grocery shopping because Jose doesn't have much in our fridge. I'll take you guys along and we hope you guys enjoy. We'll also go see the chickens later on. But we'll bring you guys along with us. Hope you guys enjoy our day. Huh? Say hi. Hi. They had a late start at school today. They're starting at 8:30 and gonna get out at noon. So just a few hours of school. Cassie's first day coming back to school. We couldn't find the gel. That's why her hair looks like a hot mess. But it's okay. She's back for school now. Oh my, oh my, oh my. All the parents are waiting with their kids. So they open the door. All the kids going in now. So we're heading back home. There goes Cassie. Got orange juice? Happy's gonna get a green juice. I'm gonna have some menudo. Hopefully I feel better with this. Homemade tortillas. Jose's having just caldo. So he's having rice.
Pondremos con más información, teléfono directo, muy buenos días. Buenos días, sí.
I'm gonna take some cucumbers. ¿A cuánto está la uva, oiga?
El kilo a 100 se la dejo. Te voy a dar una pasita que sea del niño, ¿sí? Muchas felicidades. Muchas felicidades. Una niña muy bonita.
Dile gracias. ¿Quieres mangos? Amor, ¿quieres mango?
Ándale, sí. ¿Tú también vienes? ¿Ya viene de almorzar? Vamos a ver acá.
Y sí. Ando viendo a ver qué se me antoja. Gracias. Vente. ¿Qué es esto, oiga?
¿Qué? Una tasaja. Una de nopal tasaja.
Oh, okay. ¿Mande? Ahí
Bananas.
voy, ahí voy.
Entonces le queda usted. Dígame.
Bananas. Es uno de los que le gustan a cortar. ¿Qué? ¿Cómo se llama esa?
Zapote.
Hasta que venga mi esposo, a ver qué es lo que le gusta. ¿Saori?
¿Qué querías?
¿Mande?
¿Qué buscabas?
No, nada. Estaba viendo los zapatos, gracias. ¿Qué miras, mami? Yogurt. Yogurt with cereal. Yeah. Vente, ma.
Mommy, I like green apple.
You like green apples? ¿Quieres unas?
Yes.
Unas manzanas verdes. $40 $2 for las fresas. Saori was gifted a ball because it's Día del Niño here in Mexico. You like your ball, mommy? ¿Qué tiene, oiga? ¿El cítrico trae mango o no? Hoy me da uno de cítricos. ¿Lo que querías de limón? Grande.
¿Qué son estos dos?
Esa es plátano y horchata, la otra es.
¿Puedo probar la de plátano?
I got cítricos. It's got orange, cucumber. What does it say?
Oh, no, water, I guess.
I forgot what it has now. Orange, cucumber, pineapple, and chia seeds. Jose got plátano, banana, leche. Yeah, and Saudi got some kind of mora with limon. Those mangoes.
No te dijo nada. Tenía un chingo de
¿Qué le digo, María Belén?
¿Cuál, mi amor?
¿Qué quieres más?
A ver, dime qué te gusta.
We are here picking up Cassie. Me and Saori. Jose's across the street over there sitting on a bench. Saori's having some candy. I have an umbrella here too, but she didn't want to cover herself. You got it? All the parents waiting for their kids. I see Cassie standing over there. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is, right there. Wearing a whole big sweater. Cassie's out. She got a ball,
And I got more stuff in here.
a little lunch bag.
Look, so to hold my water bottle, please. Oh my god. I got this t-shirt.
Stitch.
Wait, I won this one because it was like.
I heard a little kid say that he got that one too in a game.
A little pink. So what are you? I got this.
Did you keep a pen?
No, I won this. I won this.
I brought these pens for her school for today for the other niño, and she said she won one. Mm-hmm.
No, I did. I swear I won them. And then got two little pens. Oh, and I also got this little burrito one.
Oh, that's cute. We're not used to walking anymore. We're tired. I did come home and check on my plants yesterday. They're doing great. I have to water them in a little bit. There's a little bit of everything coming up, it looks like. I'm still not feeling great. I still feel sick. But I made a video for you guys anyway. This is peas. This is probably either squash or pickling cucumbers. This is some kind of flower. The roses are not doing the best. I'm gonna see if I can change them to a different spot. I think this is a weed, but I don't want to cut it off yet until I am 100% sure. Yeah, I think it's a weed. Well, I don't know because it smells like a tomato. I don't know. We'll wait. But they are doing fabulous. My strawberry is not. She does not like this spot. I'm going to take her downstairs and see where I can put her because she's not liking it up here at all. Right now we are going to go ahead and take Teddy to get his antibiotics because he does need 3 more rounds of the shot. I'm sorry I didn't finish recording for you guys yesterday, but I was super sick. I came home with a fever and tired because I had not slept, so I slept all afternoon. Teddy looks so scrawny. His legs are covered like are shaped like a poodle because they had to give him an IV the days that he was in the hospital, the animal clinic, I should say. He's looking better. He's happy and playing. They also shaved his little tummy. Just dirty, but he'll be okay. Yeah. He's so dirty. Look at him. Look at him. He's so dirty. I think he cried a lot, so he's got teary eyes. That's okay. Oh, clean him up when we can. Yeah. Because little legs are shaved. Because they couldn't get the IV. Jose said it bled or something. Because he's so tiny. But he's happy and playing now. We're here at the vet. This little beautiful Yorkie. They got some pugs, some birds, and a rabbit and some hamsters. We also got Jack. We got Schultz.
I don't have socks for my Crocs.
Yeah, you don't need socks for your Crocs. Jack got his shots. Teddy got his antibiotic. We still got 2 more days. Yeah, it's hot, that's why. I was telling Jose that I didn't know if I was sick because I was so stressed out because Teddy was in the hospital. But I feel like crap. My chest hurts a little bit, but it's not pneumonia. I know that for a fact. This is how I felt before I got home. How's that pelon? Very happy. See our chickens now. We're gonna go see them as mams. We're gonna go feed them their snacks that we brought them. Look at Jose driving with the dogs.
No, this is This is also the alien that cannot read my thoughts.
It's a dog bowl. I cleaned out my fridge. Since I left, I had some things that were going bad. So I brought them for my chickens. Ooh, there is an egg. Hold on, mommy. Let me get him a tomato. Hold on. No.
Right here. Mommy, there's a thingy right here.
Oh, yeah.
Can I get it?
Yeah, you can bring it. We'll bring it back. You can bring it. I mean, we'll bring it back.
There's an egg in it.
Yeah, because you collected it. Give him a little bit of lettuce. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. I gotta go inside. Come on. Vente, she'll come in a minute. Come on. Odie.
Too heavy. Here's a
No, I don't want them.
tomato.
Explícales el ferry egg otra vuelta.
Look, there's a
Go show it to papi. Go show it to papi.
there's
We
a
got 8 huevitos.
fairy egg.
It's a little tiny egg.
Mommy, right? This is a fairy egg.
It is a fairy egg. Papi said it's because they're gonna stop playing for all the time or
Oh,
something.
there's another one. There's another,
You silly.
there's another one, Mom.
Don't throw it. You're gonna break it.
Ow! It's disgusting.
We got
Guys, look.
8 huevitos.
There's a fairy egg. There's a fairy egg. Look. A fairy egg. Whoa.
That's the lentils that Papi didn't eat and some oatmeal. So he brought them to the chicken so they could eat it. No, Mommy, it's gonna break. It's an egg. It's a real egg. We're gonna cook it for you to see that it's a real egg.
Okay. The little one?
Mm-hmm.
I want a little one. I want to eat it.
Okay. Where's Teddy? Oh, I see him over there standing.
Okay, I'm going to go check out Teddy. I'm going to go check out Teddy. I'll be right back.
They have enough snacks in here, Cassie. That's why they're not looking at the ones that you're throwing.
Don't eat them later. This one's better. Once we finish that one, it'll surely.
They're happy with the tomatoes. Look at them. And the ham.
She took it. You saw that? Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
In the back. There's a big one right there. And then you have this.
You like that lettuce?
Like last time?
Huh?
It was gonna rain like last time?
Rain?
No, break like last time.
Yeah. It's getting windy. Maybe it is gonna rain. No?
Mommy, when it rains, they come there.
Well, it hasn't rained. It only has sprinkles before.
So what do you guys think? That means Mama's gonna start laying more eggs because Erica brought them now different treats.
No, because now they laid a little egg. That means one of them's not gonna lay no more. Isn't that what you said?
How do you know that?
That's what Jose said. That's what it means. I thought it was when one of them
We're
started.
gonna
laying.
retire now from this.
Oh, it's retired. Which one of
And
you is retired?
Erica is gonna take you over. I already did my time.
It's in here. Don't drop it, okay?
Oh, this is like the last one. That's like Teddy. This is
Show
like
our friends
Teddy.
this egg and this egg so they can see the difference. Go on the camera over there, papi.
It's a tiny one and a big one. Right?
Mommy, give me a bigger one.
That's it. That's the biggest one, probably. Maybe that one. We got 8.
Wait.
Bye, Miss Meows. We see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your treats.
Egg chiquito.
Gonna be making some very simple food that don't feel too good. With some huevitos with chorizo, and we haven't had huevitos from our chicken. So we're gonna make that. Saudi just wants eggs, and Cassie's gonna eat some pizza. That's what we're gonna be eating today. On the door, it's fine. We don't have no tomatillo sauce, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make some with the tomato, onion, serrano pepper, and cilantro for the eggs. I gotta feed my husband since he wasn't eating too good when I was not here. So I'm gonna cook for him so he can eat. So, okay, this is what I'm gonna add to the salsa. Just cilantro, tomato, serrano pepper, onion, some salt, and some limon. Smells delicious. I love cilantro, that's why I added so much to it. Well, friends, well, thanks for coming along with us today. We hope you guys like our video. I think somebody wants to say hi. Say we're back in Mexico now.
We're back in Mexico.
Who did we come see?
Puppy. And who else? And Teddy and Jack.
Thanks for coming along with us. Like I said before, please don't forget to like,
Look at Jack.
comment, and subscribe.
Look at
Also, please share our channel if you guys can so we can continue to grow. My stuff is all still here. Yesterday we got home. Somebody wants you guys to see Teddy too. He's happy being back home. Yesterday we got home. I checked my plants, my parrots that are back there somewhere with the red lid on top. And they're back right there. And everything was good. I went to lay in bed. I was not feeling good. I had a fever. I took I didn't take no medicine. I just went on my bed and I was knocked out. I woke up later around 8. I got in the shower and I took some Tylenol, or ibuprofen. Jose gave me some ibuprofen. And I went back to sleep until this morning when I had to wake up to go take Cassie back to school. Today is Dia del Niño here in Mexico. Day of the Kids. They celebrate the kids big here. Their school had a little party. They didn't have classes. They had a party. They gave them treats. They played games. They did a lot of different things, but they didn't go and study like they should. But it was because it's Dia del Niño. It's, like I said, it's a big deal here. They don't have school tomorrow because it was Dia del Niño today, and a lot of people do celebrate big here in Mexico. Not us. We didn't do anything big because, we're not used to it, but maybe next year. Who knows? Well, friends, thanks for coming along with us. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe like I said before. Have a great and blessed night. Also, share our channel if you guys can. Welcome to all of our new subscribers. Our channel is growing slowly, but it's growing. So welcome, everyone. Somebody wants to say bye to everyone. We bought little snacks back to my husband.
I love you. I love you.
We bought him. Saudi was brushing her teeth. Don't mind the toothbrush or the toothpaste. We brought him some beef jerky. He loves beef jerky. And I also brought him some M&Ms. Well, friends, okay, now I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for coming along. Have a great and blessed night. See you guys soon. Bye-bye, friends.